In this second video on data processing, I will be explaining how to handle categorical variables, and there are many methods are there to handle the categorical type of data. As we know that there are many algorithms like simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, which works mainly on numeric kind of data. And if the data is not in the numeric format, we need to perform we need to transform the non-numeric data into the numeric data. So this process is also called as the data transformation process, and mainly non-numeric data is of the type categorical type, in which it has different textual values. So here I will be explaining different methods of handling the categorical data with one example of a simple data set in which there are four different features are there. The first feature is the roll number. The second feature is the roll number means the roll number of the student. The second feature is the state. State means the state in which that student belongs. The category is the admission category, which typically takes the values of like general, SC, ST, OBC. These are general admission categories that we follow. Then the gender of the student, which takes the value female and male. So these are the categoric type of data. See the state here, the states are taking three different values like Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, and Nagaland. So there are in this state variable may take up to 29 different values. These are the 29 are the number of states. The category also takes here I am giving for simplicity. There are only four types of categories I am considering, and gender takes two different values for the gender variable. So these are the three categorical variables are there: state, then category, and gender. So here sometimes you may get confused with the categorical data and the category. Category is our admission category, and categorical data comes from the field of data processing. So there are different ways to transform the categorical data into the numeric data. I am talking with the methods with respect to the Python specific methods, and similar methods are also available in other data processing languages like R. So here in this video I will be explaining three commonly used methods to convert categorical data into numeric data. First, in the first and the very simplest method, in which you replace each and every value, categorical value, with some numeric value. Basically, all the this transformation method replaces the categorical value with the numerical value. But here we use the method called replace method. Then second method is called the labeling, in which all the categorical values are labeled with the numerical values. And third method is called as the one hot encoding. We are going to see the differences between all these three different approaches. So in this slide, I will be explaining the how to replace the categorical value with the numeric value. So it is very simplest method. Here I am going to explain this method with the variable categorical variable of gender. So in our running example, the gender is one of the feature variable and which takes the values male and the female. So here would like to replace the values of female with 0 and male with 1. All the instances of the female will be replaced by 0, and all the instances of the young will be replaced by the 1. So, and we have seen how to use the replace method from the replace is one of the method that is available on the data frame from the pandas library, and this is the syntax in which argument to this replace method is one dictionary, which takes the name of the column with which you want to replace the values, and the second argument takes again a dictionary which contains actual values to be replaced. And here the keys are for this dictionary new is the value, categorical values, and value is the numeric value. So here when this method, when this code segment is executed, um, then all the values of f will be replaced by 0 and all the values of m will be replaced by male will be replaced by 1. See here, the first and the fourth student will have the female category. First and the fourth student has the female category, whereas the other students will have the male category. So it will be replaced by the 1. So this is the way in which you can replace all the categorical values with the numeric values. The second method is called as the label encoding. And in the label encoding, I will be explaining the working of the label encoding and what actions are performed in the label encoding by by categorical variable called state. In the state, in our case, the state is taking three different values: Jammu and Kashmir, then Maharashtra, and I think it is Nagaland. Yes, Nagaland. So these are the three different values it takes. The state value in our case takes three different values: Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, and the Nagaland. In all, at the most, it will take the 29 different states values. Now, when you are doing the label encoding works like this. All the discrete, all the categorical values are first arranged in the alphabetical order. Like here, I have arranged all these values in the alphabetical value. Like Jammu and Kashmir comes first before the Maharashtra, and Maharashtra comes before the Nagaland. And once it is done, the label encoding assigns one number starts from which 0 and 1 and 2. If there are n categories are there, then all the 0 to n minus 1 numbers are assigned to alphabetically organized categorical values. Here the categorical values are Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra and Nagaland. First they are alphabetically organized and these values are assigned values from 0 to n minus 1. Now whenever there is an instance in the dataset Jammu and Kashmir, it will be replaced by 0. Whenever there is instance of Maharashtra, it will be replaced by 1. And wherever there is the instance of the Nagaland, it will be replaced by the 2. Now let us check it. First two and third data records will have the Maharashtra states. See, Maharashtra for the first three. That will be replaced by now when we perform the label encoding with 1. And Jammu and fourth will have the Jammu and Kashmir. So it will take 0. And the fifth is replaced by the 2. So this is the way in which the label encoding works. Encoding works. In the label encoding process, all the discrete or the categorical values are alphabetically organized, and then all those values are replaced by the numbers ranging from 0 to n minus 1, where n is the number of different distinct categorical values. Now the third and commonly used technique is called as the one hot encoding. And now here one hot encoding method I will be explaining with the discrete variable called the category. Here the category is the admission category and it takes four different values: general, SC, ST and OBC. Now in the one hot encoding, for every categorical value a new column is created. See here, a column for general is created, a column for OBC is created, a column for SC is created, and column for ST is created. And whenever a data record will have the uh, respective value, general suppose, then it will be set to the 1. Otherwise, it is set to the 1. Similarly, if the for SC also, if there is wherever there is a instance of the SC value is there, it is set to the 1. And there is one method to perform in Python. Data frame provides one method called get dummies method to implement the one hot encoding, and it takes the data frame or the data set as one of the argument. Second argument it takes is the column column means the for which you want to perform the one hot encoding. Here I would like to perform the one hot encoding with the on the category feature. So I have given the category column, and the prefix means the name of the column will begin with this prefix followed by the value of the categorical value. Now see here the cat. So new column is created: cat gen, cat OBC, cat SC, and cat ST. Now if you check when the for the first record, the category must be the one. See, for the first record the category is one, OBC. So here OBC is set to the one and all other fields are set to the zero. So this is similarly in case of the fourth, the category is one, so it is set to the one. So for fourth record, the category is general and it is the set to one, and all other fields are set to zero. Suppose that there are n different distinct values are there for a particular categorical variable, then n different columns are created. Here the categorical values are 4 for the categorical variable category, and that's why there are 4 different columns, new different columns have been created after implementing the one hot encoding. So this is the way in which you can convert a categorical variable into the numerical quantity. And one hot encoding will increase the number of columns that are present in your dataset. So these are the 3 different techniques. One is replacing value, another is the labeling, second is the labeling, and the third one is our one hot encoding. Thank you.